There is a lot going on in the world at the moment that's talking about strength and how we can build and tone our muscles, help build more bone density, also help the whole body feel better. Now, I've been practicing with weights for a little while now, and I cannot tell you the difference it's making. It's not a replacement to your regular yoga practice, but if you have a regular yoga practice, adding a little bit of weight every now and then for just short little bits can make a really big difference. So I invite you today to give this a go. Grab something heavy. You don't need a weight per se. I wonder how many of you have something hiding under the stairs or in the back of a cupboard or a wardrobe or the garage. This kettlebell, I found out is what it's called, has been under our stairs for about 8 years. No one's ever used it. So I dusted it off, I got it out, and I thought we'd try it for yoga today. So see if you've got something knocking about your house. If you haven't, just grab a tin of beans or something like that. Start small and yeah, see how you go. You can also do all of these postures without any kind of weight too. So see how you go and let's give it a shot. So I'm Carrie, I'm from the Frog Project, and I'm really happy to be here with you. So take your weight, pop it to the side. We'll just do a little bit of a warm up, and then we'll do 3 exercises with our weights. So just step towards the top of your mat here, take a big breath in and reach up. Exhale, slowly fold all the way down and just take a moment here, leaning a little bit side to side. Pressing into your hands, step your feet back, bring your knees down to the floor. Little roll around for your spine. See how everything's feeling. Crawl your hands forward, lift your knees, come into a nice plank. And then lower everything down to the ground. Breathe in, press into the hands, peel yourself open. And exhale all the way back, tuck the toes, hips high, down dog. Take a breath or two here. And then slowly crawl yourself all the way up to the hands. Gently bend into your knees, roll up to stand. Give those shoulders a shake. The hands a little shake here and gently take hold of your weight. So you only need one. Maybe it's a kettlebell, this kind of shape, or a dumbbell. That's the one with the stick and the 2 balls on each side. Anything here. Let's bring the feet nice and wide, heels in, toes out. So we're going to get a little bit into the whole body. So hold your weight in towards your chest, drop your shoulders. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, gently bend your knee. Then slowly come back up. And we'll do this a few times. Now, if you feel like it's too strong or you start to panic, at any point, just gently set your weight down. Have a seat, take a breath. And when you feel ready, come back in. So take a few more just like this. And if you want to up the pace just a little, as you come up, see if you can lift your weight high. And then back into the heart as you lower down. Breathe and lift the weight high. And exhale, gently back to the center. Let's do one more lift. Everything up. Exhale, slowly back to the center, and we'll hold. If you wish, I invite you to pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Maybe you sink just a little lower. Good, and then slowly, slowly lift up. Bring your feet together. Gently place your weight back down on the ground. Give your shoulders a little roll, your hands a little shake, and let's just stand for a breath. Notice how you feel. Maybe bringing your hand to your left side there, sensing your heartbeat. So just a little bit of extra weight raises the heart. Good. And we're going to make our way down to the floor. We'll just do a little bit more stretching in between. Breathe in, stretch up. Exhale, fold all the way up and over the legs. Take your time. Press yourself back onto all fours. Again, a little roll around here. Tuck your toes, lift up to plank, and exhale down to your tummy. Breathe and press up all the way back to downward facing dog. Start to crawl your feet up to your hands, this time coming into a nice squat. Little bit of a lean from side to side if that's good. And then gently come down onto your bottom. And we're going to try another exercise here with our weight in boat pose. So taking your weight, and again, we're just going to hold it in towards the chest. Bring your legs up, keep your back nice and long, and then see if you can lift one leg. Maybe lift two. If this is more than enough, maybe we just try one at a time. So here, all of these exercises, we're working on building core strength, more stability around the pelvis, the lower back. Good, maybe both legs, maybe hold for a breath. Maybe see if you can lower down and bring yourself back up. So much harder with a weight. Let's try two more, lower down. Bring yourself back up. One more. Whew. It really makes you warm. Bring yourself back up. Well done. And feet to the floor, very gently setting your weight down. Take a breath. Lean back into the hands and a little rock of the knees from side to side. Good. And we're going to do one more. This time, bring yourself all the way onto your back. Give yourself a moment, draw those knees in, little roll around. And this time we're going to do our bridge pose. So the feet are on the floor, the knees are pointing up to the sky. Make sure your weight's not too far away. And then bring it to rest against your tummy. As you breathe in, press into your feet, lift your hips high, and exhale, slowly back down. Keep going, breathe in, lift up, exhale, slowly back down. And just follow your breath here. We'll go a few more times. All the way up and easy. Back down. Let's do two more if you're still with me. Know that you can rest anytime. All the way up. And gently all the way back down. Let your weight come off to the side carefully. And then just let your knees begin to widen. Your feet begin to widen. Your knees to come together and arms maybe draw out to the sides or anywhere they feel comfortable. And notice anything you feel. And if you have a little bit of time, then stretch those legs out. Let your arms rest down beside you and take a few moments. Stay here as long as you can. And then when it's time for you to come back, slowly roll onto your side and push yourself up. And there you have it. A nice, easy routine with yoga, with weights, just to work this middle area, the hips, the pelvis, the middle. And when this area is strong, then the rest of us feels better, energized, alive, all of the good stuff. Let me know what you think. And if you want to come and try some of this live, join us at the Frog Project and we'll do it together in real time. All right, see you soon.